What if a single insult ignited a movement that no one saw coming? In the summer of 2026, thousands of students and young people gathered in Delhi demanding accountability over exam leaks and youth unemployment. At the center of the movement was an unlikely name, the Cockroach Janta Party, or CJP. But this was not a conventional political party. It began as an online satirical movement after a controversial remark that compared some young Indians on social media to cockroaches and parasites. Rather than reject the label, Abhijit Dipke embraced it, turning a perceived insult into a rallying cry. Who is Abhijit Dipke? Dipke is a political communications professional who studied journalism in Pune and later completed a master's degree in public relations in Boston. He had previously worked on digital political campaigns before unexpectedly finding himself leading a nationwide online movement. Within days, CJP's social media presence exploded. Memes, AI generated songs, parody manifestos, and humorous slogans spread rapidly online. The cockroach became a symbol of resilience, surviving despite being ignored. What made this movement different was that it resonated with frustrations already present among millions of young Indians. Rising competition for jobs, concerns about examination integrity, and anxiety about the future meant that many young people saw the movement as more than just internet humor. As the online momentum grew, an important question emerged. Could a meme become a real political movement? The answer would soon be tested on the streets of Delhi. What began behind glowing phone screens soon spilled onto the streets. Memes became marches, hashtags became slogans, and thousands gathered demanding accountability over the NEET controversy. Protesters called for reforms and greater transparency. Supporters argued that the movement had finally given young people a voice. Critics questioned whether an internet driven campaign could maintain focus as it grew larger. As demonstrations expanded, several public figures expressed solidarity while others criticized aspects of the movement. Some observers argue that parts of the protest went beyond the issue of the alleged exam paper leak and included remarks that they believed were critical of Hindu sentiments, questioning whether such statements were relevant at a student led demonstration. During the protest, comedian Kunal Kamra criticized the government's political messaging, saying, "ये सरकार सीता के पति का नाम लेकर नीता के पति का काम कर रही है." Actor Prakash Raj also addressed the gathering, stating, "People may chant Jai Shri Ram, but I will say Jai Samvidhan," emphasizing constitutional values over religious slogans. Separately, a video that circulated online from the CJP protest at Jantar Mantar showed a woman singing the line, "Bas naam rahega Allah ka." These moments sparked debate on social media. Critics argued that the use of religious references shifted attention away from the protest's stated objective and risked alienating sections of the public, while supporters maintained that the speeches reflected individual expressions and did not represent the movement as a whole. The government's response also became a major point of discussion. Critics argued that official engagement with the protesters was limited and that many core demands remained unanswered, while authorities maintained public order during demonstrations. Like many mass movements, the CJP quickly became a subject of competing narratives. To some, it represented a new generation demanding accountability. To others, it illustrated the challenges of keeping a fast growing movement focused on its founding objective. Whether the Cockroach Janta Party becomes a lasting force or remains a remarkable movement in India's digital political history is still unknown. What is certain is that it has demonstrated how social media can transform satire into organized civic participation within days. As citizens, it is important to evaluate every movement not by slogans alone, but by its goals, Methods, evidence, and outcomes. Democracies grow stronger when governments remain accountable, protests remain peaceful, and public debate remains rooted in facts. What do you think? Has the CJP started a genuine youth movement, or will it remain an internet phenomenon? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Statecraft Stories for more evidence based political documentaries.